Hello, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'll be sharing with you how to make a vitamin C serum at home for youthful, glowing, spotless, beautiful skin. This is something that I shared in our full-length episode on the Dr. Janine Show, exactly how to make that. So let's take a look at it now. So this is a recipe for a natural vitamin C serum that you can make at home for youthful, glowing, spotless skin. So if you get, the sunspots, if you have age spots, you can use this on your hands. You can certainly use it all over your face and your neck and your décolleté, anywhere that you really want to improve your skin texture. You want to, have that beautiful effect of that antioxidant from the vitamin C. This is something that you can do on your own, and the ingredients are relatively easy to find. We just got these down the street at our local health food store, and certainly from our sponsors at VitaTree, we are using our whole food vitamin C capsules and opening that up to make our serum. So what we have here is we have some glycerin. So the glycerin, we have 2 teaspoons of glycerin, and the glycerin is a natural way to sort of pull all of the ingredients together, and 5 teaspoons of rose water. So rose water is beautiful. It smells so nice. It's smelling up the studio. It just smells so good. So you're going to add that into your glycerin, and I'm going to mix these up. And then I'm going to add in the whole food vitamin C. And again, this is our organic vitamin C capsules that will mix into here. And that has the active ascorbic acid, which again is directly from nature. And this one contains some of those really potent ingredients that we talked about. So the acerola cherries, the camu berries, which are super concentrated in that whole food vitamin C, which is fantastic, that ascorbic acid. So this is 5 capsules that I'm opening up. And you can see, because again, it's directly from nature, you can see the vibrancy of the color of those ingredients from this whole food supplement. And now mixing this, you can see, and this takes a little bit of mixing. If I wasn't doing it for the show, I would probably take about 10 minutes or so just to lightly mix this up, and then it totally goes into that solution, you can see, and you're gonna let this sit. And I find if it sits overnight, that concentration of that ascorbic acid, so that natural vitamin C, really potentizes itself. And then you're going to use this on your skin, and I'll do just a few drops here. You're gonna see that. And what I would do also is pour it into my dark glass jar. So that's something, again, that I purchased at the health food store. But to be able to, because this will oxidize very quickly as it's exposed to light and air. So that's the thing about vitamin C, is that it is very sensitive when it is in that whole food form. So you want to protect it. You want it to be in a dark container, but you also, and you can see that's beautiful. And some people actually use this because it gives a bit of a tan look to the skin, which is fantastic. But if you're looking, as your tan is now fading, going into our cold winter months here in Canada, you can use this as a natural tanner right on your face, and you'll have that nice sun-kissed glow without, unfortunately, here in Canada, having enough of that natural sun exposure. But you can see how beautiful that is, and it really is so lovely for the skin. I'm going to pour that into my container really quickly because I don't want this to oxidize. I don't want to waste my fantastic mixture here. So pouring that into my dark glass container, and then you're going to store that, and that's going to be good for you for months. And just keep it at room temperature, and you can use a little bit of that every morning and evening, and you're going to love the way that your skin looks with using that. So great for sunspots, great for UV damage, also great for the wrinkles. So if you've got the wrinkles and you want to see them, disappearing or minimizing, then that active vitamin C right in your skin is something that you will love. And it's fantastic to be able to do that. So I hope that you'll be able to put these wonderful ingredients together yourself at home. Please be sure to share this recipe with your friends. So click the share button on this video so that you can share this fantastic information information with your friends. Give me a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you always get my newest and latest uploads, and click the bell so you always get your notifications when we upload something new. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and take care of your good health and do it naturally.